our drawing today. We're going to start again with a kind of a slanted rectangle. Okay, so now we need to come down here and we're going to do this. Now we're going to make this where there's two of these, so we're going to start again with another one, but this one's going to hide behind the first one. And we add that part of our square. Now this side I literally kind of trace it so that I can see what I have. Now I have 2 bricks, but what we're going to do next is we're going to come in here and we're going to add in this rectangle on the inside. Now this is where everybody's like, oh, I want to make waffles, but I want to make them where they have the grids. So that was a wrong line. So what I'm going to do, instead of making each individual square, I'm going to make this pattern on the top, like a tic-tac-toe. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to darken that edge on each one of these. Now you can kind of see how it looks like those areas are indented. Well, I don't want to make them perfectly square. So now I'm going to bow out these edges a little bit. Once I do that, I'm going to add in a little bit of shadow. Now notice that when I come up here to the top, my shadow goes sideways, where down here it goes up and down. The reason there is because that gives it the illusion that you have those shadows. We're also going to add a little bit of shadow on the edges, like that, to make it look like it's rounding over. You know how this goes. When you have an area that there's lighter value, we have lighter pencil marks. So we're going to make these lighter. There's our first one. Now let's go to the second one real quick. All I'm going to do is I'm going to get you started and then you have to finish it off. Again, I'm going to make the rectangle. And then I'm going to make my tic-tac-toe pattern. Again, I'm going to darken 2 of the 4 edges on each one of these squares. And you can see the beginnings. Finish it off.